So basically an association write a project, European Union accept it, and then you can organize an exchange where volunteers come in the city and they stay and they do stuff around. That's why Pyrovats had like 19 volunteers going around for 18 days building stuff, animating, and I don't know, just vibing around. All clear? Okay. Let me add some details.
It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished him well. You could see that Pierre did truly love the mademoiselle. And now the young monsieur and madame have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. They furnished off an apartment with a two...
Pyrovats, the evil city, nah, the city of love. This little gem lies right in the center of the Dalmatian coast, known for its golden olive oil, beautiful landscapes and tourism, apparently Polish mostly. The perfect setting for a new edition of Mamma Mia, but also the perfect place to host 19 volunteers coming from 12 different countries, ready to rock and fill the city with incredible good vibes. They are here for a reason, European Solidarity Corps, the European Program for International Volunteering. In this case, the Croatian Association Proni prepared a project and hosted the volunteers, connecting them to the local community. 18 days of activities, working, meetings, eating and lack of sleep. All to improve the city and local community awareness about ecology and sustainability.
Together for Pyrovats is an interesting project because it connects so many young people from like 10 different countries, and it's about sustainable development, in fact, which of course we know it has a different goals and paths. Everybody can, in any local community, can contribute to the fulfillment of these goals and give contribution to sustainable development of Earth. And it's about values. It's about values that bring together all these young people here in Pyrovats, but it's also values of solidarity, volunteerism, care for each other, for Earth, for the materials, for energy, for future, that is bringing us all together here. And of course we are cooperating closely with institutions, other civil society organizations and individuals that together with us and volunteers from 10 countries can make a good progress to make this little place more accessible, more viral, more ecologically sustainable.
Well, it's never enough when talking about improvements and well-being. And also, if none take care of it, how can we improve? And ladies and gentlemen, here it comes, the first project of the volunteers, Photo Voice, an exhaustive research of our team for good ecology and accessibility practices that can be improved or that can be taken as an example. 31 pages of full quality photos and reflections, a must-have in your library. Our volunteers, though, are not lazy. It is not enough for them to only spot the problems. No. Not at all. They don't like to complain. They are more for action.
Portami dove non vedrò più la luce del sole. Si è fermato il tempo sul mio Rolex. Penso che non sia la mia impressione. Spiegami come.
It's the moment to talk about some facts. Problem: Croatians love to smoke in the beach, but sometimes the bins are too far. Solution: take waste material, add planning, excitement and good execution, and you have brand new ashtrays serving all the beach.
That's pretty cool, right? Let's continue.
Problem: new generation kids are unable to socialize and play with other kids. They rather stay with their phone. Solution: introducing the Qua Qua dance. I mean, kids animation run by professionals. Okay, mister, that's fun, but what about sustainability? What about ecology? Sure, take some of the best actors you have among the volunteers and let them create a play from scratch. gather as much kids as you can and let the magic happen. Choose your word. But it's not enough, because our volunteers are intrepid explorers, and in their free time they spread all around Dalmatia, enjoying beautiful summer events in Pirovac and spending amazing time together. They danced, animating the local community. They cooked for the population, winning with tortilla e gazpacho a deserved bottle of Prosecco, Italian Prosecco. But the work was not over, and in the second week new missions arose, and new ecology fights were undertaken. Eco walls, enchanting the city park with beautiful paintings, a small botanical garden, the four elements and the space environment. Eco puppets, from waste textile materials, puppets for kids, to be gifted in a kindergarten with dance animation. And from waste of wood and other materials, eco bookshelves, to be put around the city for book exchange. But without proper guidance and leadership, this would not have been possible. We really enjoyed our time here, and was thanks to many things. A lovely and active city, a caring and passionate leading team, an enthusiastic and united group of volunteers. And this leads us here to the end. After 18 days that seem like a century and few seconds at the same time. Look around you. Enjoy the beauty of the people you are surrounded with. Because you know what's the best thing? We were builders, animators, crafters, dancers. We were volunteers. But firstly, we were farmers, planting seeds of hope in each other's life, bringing fresh water to the hosting community, and blowing a fresh wind of caring and youth participation. That maybe won't save the world, maybe won't become viral on newspapers, but I'm sure it's making the world a better place. Starting together for Pirovac. But it's not the moment to be emotional. One last time, stand up and dance with us.